I would like to introduce you to the lower extremity dressing aid, or LEDA for short. First, take the dressing aid and put it on your lap. Then take your shorts, pants, or underwear and put it on top of the dressing aid. Put the legs of the shorts or pants through the aid and fold the waistband around the edge. Drop the dressing aid to the floor. Then put your feet into the pant legs. Then pull up on the rope, or you can use a dressing stick. Once you can reach the aid, you can then remove the waistband of your clothes and drop the aid back to the floor. This aid will be very helpful for someone who is recovering from hip replacement surgery or anyone who cannot or should not bend at the waist while dressing.